because this fool throws wild with overhands. I'm like, I'm good, right? I remember I had my little 8-ounce gloves. I'm like, I'm gonna hurt this fool right now. So I get in there, boom, and I drop my right hand. I threw a jab, I threw my jab, I drop my right hand, catch me with an overhand right. Boom, woke me up. I said, damn, bro, that shit.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, you gotta be more careful now. You know,
because they say, right, everybody's got a plan until they get hit in the face, and now you gotta figure it out on a different level.
But like you said, though, it woke you up. Like, all right, I'm awake though.
Because in sparring, I'm like, I take all these fucking big old punches, and then I get hit with no headgear, and I'm just like, okay, it's different. It's just like a little.
And obviously, he too was wearing 8-ounce gloves.
Oh yeah, 100%.
So it isn't them big old freaking sparring gloves where you know the pillows. If you will.
Like one of my boys says, like, hey, he's like, you got these 8-ounce gloves. Oh shit! I remember my opponent got the same ones though. So you just gotta be careful, man. So that's why I'm trying to recover, bro, 100% before.